What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today is a little bit of a sad day because I lost a bunch of my footage.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But anyways, I'm gonna turn you around, guys, and I'll show you what I've been up to. So here you can see, guys, I got the whole front end Arnie ripped off. I had footage of me taking the front off and taking the timing cover off because we got to take the VE pump off here. So anyways, we got this guy at top dead center. You can see the hashing marks there. And anyways, there's a little plunger that's in the back here that you push it in when you're at top dead center. It'll only go in. There's a little bump that goes into the gear there, so that means that's at top dead center that you can take the pump off. But we are going to be lifting the cab, lifting the box, getting the engine, everything out of Arnie, because we are going to be painting the frame, or at least top coating it with something, because you can see how 7,000 kilometers, it's already pretty rusted, surface rust. But anyways, that's what our plan is, and we're gonna go through the interior. I have carpet to put in here yet. I have the pad that goes on the firewall. I have all that, so I wanna somewhat complete Arnie. He's got all new weather stripping. It's been sitting in a box for years. Anti-rattle for the windows. And the transmission has to go and get rebuilt. So that's all gonna happen. So yeah, we're just gonna continue on. I'm gonna take the VE pump off first, and then probably gut the wiring and start lifting the cab and the box off to get it just into a chassis. So yeah, I'll catch back up with you guys when we've progressed. Okay guys, it's been about an hour and a half that has passed, and I'll show you where we're at. So here we go, guys. We got the main wiring plug disconnected. It's like I forget what it is, a 40 pin or something, but that's the reason I did that, so that lifting the cab can be fairly easy. So we got the main power wire that goes to the fuse box inside the truck. We got the steering disconnected. We got the brake lines disconnected. The slave cylinder's off. And we got the heater hoses disconnected from the heater core. I took the air intake off just so there's some more room. Yeah, everything's pretty much ready to go. We got the shifter disconnected in here. Sorry, I know it's dark. But we got the shifter disconnected there. So we're gonna get the fork extensions. We'll set you up on the tripod, and we'll attempt to lift the cab off. There we go, guys. We got the cab off. It's sitting on pallets. I just put it on a pile of pallets so I knew how many I could stack it on. So the cab's off, frame's sitting there. And so now we can easily access everything. So we can get that NV5600 pulled out and get that thing rebuilt, because it's got some bearing noise in 5th and 6th. But there we are. Next we'll be pulling the box off, which is super easy. And then we'll get at getting the VE pump off and getting the engine out, sitting on a pallet, and getting everything kind of gutted, ready to wire wheel and paint the frame. Okay guys, a lot has transpired, but we're still in the same day, so I'm gonna catch you up to speed. And we're like this close to lifting the engine, transmission, and transfer case out of the frame so we can send that transmission off to get rebuilt. So I'll flip you around and show you what we got. So here guys, we got the full wiring harness off the chassis. This goes back to the tail lights. There's a speed sensor there. That's the transmission transfer case, all the engine compartment. But we have, yeah, everything's disconnected. We got the drive shafts off here. We got the exhaust loose, the turbo. We got the motor mount bolts loose. We got all the power steering, the hydro boost, that's all off. What else? Yeah, pretty much everything's ready to go. I actually had to go back and look at my old video as to how I lifted this thing. It's been that long because I lifted it as a complete unit. So we're gonna wrap a chain around here. We're gonna get some clevises. Oh, look, there's a wasp there. Pretty cool. Anyways, some clevises here, and we're gonna hoist it up with the forklift, get this on a pallet, and then break the transmission loose and get that ready to take in to get rebuilt. Okay guys, so with this kind of stuff, it's all a lot of trial and error, but maybe I've got smarter over the years. So I got just a little loop on here of chain, a little loop of here chain. This is just excess dangling. And then I got this to the clevis, down to the transfer case. I might have to tighten that up a bit, but we're just gonna lift it and kind of see what it does, making sure we don't damage our shifter. But I'll set you guys back up and we'll see how it's gonna lift. Okay, there it is guys. The Cummins is on the pallet with the transmission and transfer case. You can see there, worked out pretty good. But anyways, my shop is a complete disaster. It's getting late in the day, so I'm probably just gonna spend a bunch of time cleaning up. We got a bunch of tools here on the workbench. And yeah, I'll pick you guys back up when the shop's kind of tidied up. Okay guys, we got the shop nice and cleaned up. I'll show you here. So we got the cab over in front there. We got the chassis with the transmission on a pallet. Oh yeah, I guess I never showed you. I peeled it all apart. I got the transfer case here. I got the transmission down on the pallet here. I got the Cummins there. I thought I'd just store it up on the frame just because we always need to get big trucks in here overnight. But yeah, there it is. Arnie's completely ripped apart. He's gonna be better than ever. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. If you guys could comment below what you guys would like to see. It's just me in the shop here. Wouldn't mind some love. But anyways, tell your family, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos on Project Arnie. Also, Project Tommy's gonna take a hiatus. But we'll get back on there after Arnie's kind of put together. We got to get our pull rig ready for summer because there's some trucks to buy. Anyway, stay tuned for more content and we'll see you later. Peace.